A portion of this video has been sponsored by Squarespace. Hey guys, I'm the Hacksmith. On the last episode of Make It Real, we built the Thanos sword. And then we tested it. But we discovered it's not very wieldable. It was actually really hard to swing the sword. So we decided to put our engineering knowledge to use, and we built the world's first thanoscopter. Capable of spinning the blade at over 2,000 RPM, this will produce more energy than two 50 cal BMG rounds. Let's test it.
What are we doing behind you?
We're going to mount the blade onto the final test stand inside of the bunker. If I don't get my charge.
Off to a good start.
Just gotta plug it in.
Alright, you wanna pass me the cord through the hole? Why not?
Okay, well you have to go back to me after.
Okay, give me. This part of the video has been sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for building a professional website, online store, or portfolio. It's even great for newsletters through their email campaigns platform. Plus, with easy-to-use e-commerce tools, you can start an online shop even if you've never done it before. And with 24/7 email support, they've got you covered if you need any help. It's super easy to get started by buying a domain through Squarespace, like we did. Then specifying your website's purpose to look for templates. Okay, maybe this isn't a very common website theme, but with click and drag templates, it's easy to make your site exactly the way you want. And with powerful analytics tools to track views, traffic sources, and more, you can get feedback on what's working and how to improve. Once you're done watching our video, make sure you check out our Squarespace site. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this part of the video. Head to squarespace.com/hacksmith to save 10% off your first order using coupon code Hacksmith. Now, let's get back to the project. Alright, so this is the very first time we're going to spin up the thanoscopter, and I honestly don't know what's going to happen. I really hope the stand we made is stable enough and it doesn't just like spin itself to pieces. We don't really know what's going to happen. We'll throw a few light things into it to make sure nothing vibrates or anything like that, and then if all goes well, we're going to be able to actually do the full test where we throw things like cinder blocks at it. Let's get to it.
Oh my god. What have you created? Ah! Can we throw something light at it? See? Yes. Like foam blocks?
I have something. Alright, I have the most gentle thing we can throw at it that definitely won't hurt anyone.
Damn it.
That's full throttle? Let's do a basketball. I want to see something bounce.
Film. The Evan Kale sawing foam bricks to throw. Yep.
Ooh, it did get shredded. He's the ball man.
think this project's missing something though. I know. Now this puts a smile on my face.
This is by far the most stupid and dangerous and irresponsible thing we've ever done. Because we couldn't wield Thanos' sword as mere mortals, we decided to use the power of physics and electric motor to spin it up. This thing spins at 1,000 RPM. Because the blade weighs about 30 pounds, it'll actually produce an energy of over 19,500 joules, or more than a 50 cal BMG round. In fact, that's the same as 10 AK rounds. This thing is putting a ton of energy into whatever we throw at it. So, let's spin it up. Contact! That's terrifying! Get the safety camera, man. You're too valuable. Birthday party fun, courtesy of Thanos.
It sliced it twice. 3 times. Perfectly chopped grapefruit, so efficient. Look at that cut. That is so clean.
Oh, no.
You suck at this. You broke it.
No.
Oh, I hate you. Don't make me put you to the Thanos sword.
It comes back.
No. Oh man. This thing's gonna be not fun to clean up. Should we leave it here to dry for 2 days?
Yes.
Yeah, we should though.
2x4s.
What just disappears?
We'll do one more center break.
It is.
Oh. Go, 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 go! Oh, the splatter! What's the splatter from? From the island. Oh, he cut his head in half! You guys know how tough these are? We got it from Zombie Go Boom, they test weapons on them, and like, it is hard to break them. It freaking cut the entire skull in half.
That is terrible. That's what would happen to your head.
Alright, we're gonna have to show the footage where you hit it with the crowbar. Yep.
Anything else? Mannequin? Let her have it.
I'm just gonna yeet this over. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, just chop her head off.
Wow, like literally just the top of the neck.
That was absolutely terrifying. Big shout out to Brainfu TV, who actually did this on a miniature scale with about a 3-inch Thanos blade. We just upsized a little bit, and it's by far the most terrifying thing we have ever done, and that's saying something coming from the Hacksmith channel. Wait a sec, where's Riley?
Last time I saw him, he was back there fixing something.
Oh God! Riley!